viewers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon, but if it's Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below. Definitely check them out. All you gotta do is click on that link, see what other goodies they have to offer. But if you like this item today, add it to your cart now and check out, and they can ship this to you fast. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And now we're about to find out what's inside. And make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button. Much appreciated. And here we go. What is this? Ooh, baby. Ooh. This is coming from Soocas X3U. It's a X3U sonic electric toothbrush. High efficiency, dew point bristles, metal free, 4 tooth care modes, toothbrush area reminder, fully washable, Type-C charging, and travel box. Oh, baby. In case you guys go on the road, you might want to take one of these with you. Weeks. Alright, let's take a look. So like I said, if you like this item, add it to your cart now. Check out. This will be an Amazon thing, so they can ship this to you fast. And here we go. There we go. Okay. Nice box. Should be a short video today, guys. There we go. Everything. Ooh. Stuff here. That's where all the goodies are at. It's empty. And box 1. Yep, USB. Oh, come on. Here are the brushes. Comes with them. Empty. Oh, look at this little. Yeah, that's a lot there. So, bada boom. We have Soocas Soft. This is a polish, and this is a clean. So you definitely, right here, split it right in the middle. Right in the middle, like so. And we'll test them all out, show you guys. Yeah, look at this. Really nice travel case. How do I open it? And there we go. Ooh. Fancy dancy. So you can put your brushes here. Oops. Come on. There we go. So there's a spot for 2 brushes. That makes sense. I got it now. There we go. So you can have that, and then put your USB right in here. Actually, be on top because the toothbrush will go there. And now, I don't know if you guys can see because of the lighting. It's really early. Got different modes right here. Alright, it's quiet. So that's a good thing. Just gotta shove it in the hole. Somehow. There we go. Look at that action. And that's the last one right there. And then shut that off right now. This is where you charge it. At the bottom, USB. There we go. Super lightweight though, guys. Battery's nice. Definitely has a nice grip to it. Got these for your hand grips. If you could see the braille kind of right in there. Really nice though. So, and then, like I said, take the Soocas. And you're good to go. Ain't gonna fit though. There we go. Let's pull it out. Put it back in. Should fit. Well, that'll be out. Because you could. There should be a third. No. Okay. There we go. We got all three in. So you could do it like that. Or just like that. So take your two favorite ones, I guess. And then travel size. Really nice case though. Definitely check them out. I guess it's a little long video. It's alright though. It's a weekend. Soocas. Alright, on Amazon. But if it's a website link, I'll leave it down below. So either or, check them out, guys. Hopefully you guys have a good weekend. Be safe out there. Let's see what else. I think I got everything covered. Yeah, see, it's a lot of different languages. Daily clean, sensitive, gum care, first use, and white custom. So that's what each dot means. They got a list, so that's on page 6. But an official website is Soocas. Definitely check them out, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy.